welcome. You're watching The Health Site and I am Sakshi. Do you remember how in school we used to hate brinjal, yani ki baigan ki sabzi? We used to hate it when our mom used to make it. But now after watching this video, you're going to love the eggplants because eggplant has got so many benefits. It adds to your weight loss, it's good for your health, your digestive system and many more. Let's watch out what are the benefits of eating an eggplant. From reducing the risk of heart diseases to helping with blood sugar control and weight loss, eggplants are a simple and delicious addition to any healthy diet. Number 1, high in antioxidants. Eggplants boast a high number of antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body from damage caused by harmful substances known as free radicals. Number 3, may reduce the risk of heart diseases. Studies suggest that eggplants may reduce the risk of heart diseases, helping with blood sugar control. Number 3, promote blood sugar control. This is primarily because eggplants are high in fiber, which passes through the digestive system intact. Fiber can lower down blood sugar by lowering the rate of digestion and absorption of sugar in the body. Number 4, could help with weight loss. Eggplants are high in fiber and low in calories, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss regime. Fiber moves through the digestive tract slowly and can promote fullness and satiety, reducing calorie intake. Number 5, have cancer-fighting benefits. Eggplant contains several substances that show potential in fighting cancer cells. Some animal studies have shown that SRGs could cause the death of cancer cells and may also reduce the reoccurrence of certain types of cancer. If you have found this video interesting, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to log into our website which is known as The Health Site.